Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a box braid wig using wool. Like I'm using Brazilian wool for this wig. So the first thing you'll be needing is your wig cap. I'm just going to secure it with my T-pin. I'm going to secure with my T-pin and show you guys the wool I'm using. Now this is the wool I'm using. It's the Brazilian wool. I'm just going to cut out the length I want and then start braiding. Like if you want to count it, I'm using 20 pieces, then I use 2 extra to crochet to the wig cap before doing the box braid. So I'm just going to take out the part I want and then cut it out and then use extra 2 to crochet to the wig cap before I start doing the box braid. For the front part of this wig, I'm going to sew in a closure. This closure, I've already used it like once or twice. I'm just going to use it again for this wig. I'm just going to sew it in and then braid on it. After sewing the closure to the wig cap, I'm just going to cut the lace net under the closure. To braid the front part of this wig, I'm doing the knotless method, not the regular boss braid method. So what I did was just section the wool into 4 parts because I'm using 20. So I section it into 5 in each part. So I'm just going to use it to start doing the knotless braid at the front.
Buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I'm on my day. You say you need a change and feel that you need it. But you're so right. We're losing track of time. Buying things online, it's not like we need them. Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing.
For the tip of this wig, I'm just going to tie it, and then after tying it, I'm going to cut out the excess, make sure that they're all of the same length or of equal length, and then I'm going to be using my lighter, and I need the water to dip my hand into it. While when I finish burning it, I need water to dip my hand into it. I need water to dip my hands in so that when I'm squeezing them out, like, it will not hurt.
We got a party for a lifetime. No, we
To wear this wig, I'm not using any glue to wear it, neither did I sew in an elastic band because the cap just fits perfectly well, so I don't need any of those. So I'm just going to wear it and then use my foamy mousse to lay down the baby hair at the front. And that is it for this video. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave your comment in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Also give this video a huge thumbs up and share it to friends and family. I will see you all in my next video.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling. I'm far from perfect.